Hello and welcome to your channel. This is Ali Reza, and in this tutorial I'm going to answer these three questions asked in the ResearchGate. Let's review the questions. Someone asked how can combine multiple chemical structures in single STF file. The other asked how can I get all the 4.6 million molecules into one STF file from a zinc database. These two questions are alike and both ask to make a database of single molecules. And then last question asks how can you convert a large number of PDB files to Pdbqt files. Okay, so be with me in this tutorial. I have 10.6 thousand of chemical structures. It is not close to million, but the process is the same and can be extended to other question which requires to convert or to merge structures into one single file. So firstly I need to answer these two questions which are asked to combine multiple files. Okay, we just need openbabel. Obabel. Let me find the directory of obabel. Here is a directory. In the previous versions there was a babel.exe and also obabel.exe, but this new version only contains obabel, which we only need this file to do all our process, all our work. I just copy and paste obabel in this directory. I was already pasted in here. Next, you need to open cgwin or Windows command prompt. Just press Windows R and type cmd, press OK. So we are in cmd. Next, we need to go to this directory and copy and type cd and paste my directory in here. Now we are in the directory. As I said, I just need to make a single library out of these 10k compounds. Let's call obabel. If you press tab, it will automatically write down the string obabel and asterisk point stf. It means that I call all the files contain .stf. Okay. Next, I need to convert, so type -o and type whatever format you want, like mol to mol, or I don't know, SMI, smiles, or I don't know, PDB or SDF, whatever format you want. I just type PDB. And next, you just need to define your output name. Be sure to write down the O in the capital, so type dash capital O space and type the name of your output. I say lib.pdb. The other options are optional, but you can make some difference in your output. I can see -h. It means that we can make our ligands explicit and hydrogen atoms, or I can make 3D coordinations for each of the outputs. So I can type dash gen for generation, your generate 3D. Do not forget to not type -m. It makes all the files separate or split all the files, and it causes we do not get a single file contains our chemicals. I just press enter and we should wait for our lib to generate. It's gonna take a few seconds, but it's very fast. I cannot imagine to convert manually with obabel GUI to convert all the single files into the PD or Pdbqt. It's gonna be frustrating, but with this command line we can do it simply in a second. Depends on how large is your library. Okay, it made us a library with 121 megabytes size. Let's check into the file. I do not have a software to open up the PDB file, but a notepad editor or text editor will do your job. As you can see, we have named each molecule with a model and one or number after the model. Let's check how many compounds is converted. As you can see, 10,634 compounds converted, exact size of our database. We have generated hydrogen atoms, so their ligands are explicit. We have also 3D coordination, X, Y, and Z columns. So everything is good, and we have successfully answered to these first two questions. I just close these windows. Next, let's go to answer the third question, asked to convert PDB file into Pdbqt file. Okay, we can use this library, so I remove all the data. Okay, my friends, we are reached to the last question, which asks how to convert a large number of PDB files to .pdbqt files. Again, we call obabel.exe, and we can also type -.pdb-lib or simply lib.pdb and convert it into pdbqt. So type -o pdbqt. Also make a output or name output. I say a.pdbqt, so it's gonna be a1822 a10634 if I recall. Do not forget to import the last options we made, like -h -gen3d. We have already imported our SDF files into the library containing already explicit and 3D generated compounds, but it's not gonna import it into the pdbqt files, so you have to type them again. And last importantly, we should type -m for splitting our files into one separated or isolated single files. So press enter. It's gonna take some time, but it's okay. Okay, now we have successfully finished converting all our chemicals into that Pdbqt, or split our library into the Pdb.qt. However, if you see, we have almost close to 20 chemicalized aromatic bonds in openbabel. So we have failed to convert some aromatic bonds in our compound. I tried to figure out about how to solve this problem, so I have splitted our PDB library into single PDB files and then converted into the Pdbqt with the same command line I tried in here. It was fixed and there was no errors. You can also do it by yourself. Now let's check our Pdbqt file. As you can see, it is in the 3D coordination, and it also contains hydrogen bond. So everything is in the order. Let's check another file. Okay, this one is also okay. It has its hydrogen atoms and 3D coordinations. Okay, so everything is in order. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.